Hey, welcome again to Ask Matt. Matt came up with, I guess he's been seeing a lot on the rod building forums about Gorilla Glue.
Yeah.
And so he wanted me to do some sort of demonstration with Gorilla Glue. So I guess the question is,
how easy is it?
How easy is it to work with Gorilla Glue? I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway, so he's going to show me something and your guys are going to see. So I guess this is a piece with Gorilla Glue on it.
Yeah, it has a nice, hard, shiny finish. It looks really good. I was really impressed. And that's about 20 coats of Gorilla Glue. So 20 coats, and it's super thin.
So how long does that take you to do?
You could probably put 3 or 4 coats on in an hour. And so it'd be an all-day project.
Oh, okay.
So basically, you need Gorilla Glue and paper towel.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so what I have is a piece of scrap bamboo that has 0 finish on.
All right.
And you are just going to put a little drop on the side, but up towards the top.
Just stick it on here.
No, just drop it on the blank. You can put it on the paper towel if you want. Okay, that's a ton. But go ahead and just, you can show the camera can't see, but just spread it evenly over it. All right, so.
This is gluey.
Yeah, and they recommend to wear gloves when you do it.
Why?
Because, I don't know, it's hard to wash off your hands. So as you kind of see, you showed the camera, it's got a lot of lint.
It's got paper towel all over it.
Right. So that was my reaction too. I was like, that looks like crap. But you're good now. You can throw that and then take that and like buff it off and just like.
Wait, waiting?
No, just wipe it all off.
All the Gorilla Glue?
All the Gorilla Glue, just wipe it off. What you're doing is you're rubbing it in. So just like you're rubbing it in.
I'm rubbing the Gorilla Glue in? Oh,
Mm-hmm.
You can't see me rubbing the Gorilla Glue in.
All right. You get all that lint off.
Yeah, it's gone.
All right. And
does it look any different?
Yeah, there's a little bit of a shiny coat on there. Like I said, I did about 10, 12 coats, and then I buffed it down and polished it, and then I put about 5, 10 more coats on it, and that's where we're at right now.
So you just do this all day long?
All day long.
Okay.
Maybe the whole weekend. You could probably put about 3, maybe 4 coats on in an hour.
All right.
So do the math on that. But it dries. I mean, feel this one. It's dry. No need to hang it up in a drying cabinet. It's not going to collect dust and stick.
Nice.
Yeah, you could probably even just, if you wanted to, tack a little more on there. Spread it over. And if you're working on a thin section, especially the tips, I wouldn't go back and forth. I just wipe off in one direction because it is a little tacky and sticky.
So you wait for it to dry and then you take it off?
I just put it on there, and then it gets a little tacky. You get all that lint and paper towel stuff, and then just
pull it off?
Buff it off. Yep.
Did it look any different than I did the last time?
I got one more extra little coat on it.
I don't think so.
Well, you're not probably going to start seeing the build up until about 5 or 6 or 7 coats, but you'll start seeing it build up. So I thought it was an easy, fun way to finish a rod. I do have a couple of concerns in the back of my mind, but I think I'm definitely going to experiment with it. And if I build a demo rod, I think it'd be a great way to finish it out. And then, who knows?
So if you ever want to use Gorilla Glue,
give it a shot. And it's just the original formula.
Anyway, this concludes our episode of Ask Matt. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.